Today we are going to see the question. You can write the nth term of an arithmetic progression is 2n plus 1. Okay, find arithmetic progression. That is your question. So how we'll be doing? ഇവിടെ നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്ന n term of an arithmetic progression, which means tn is equal to 2 plus 1 ആണ്, 2n plus 1 ആണെന്ന് നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നുണ്ട്, right? So what you have to assume is നമുക്ക് വേറെ ഒന്നും തന്നിട്ടില്ല. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, dot dot we get t1 പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയായിരിക്കും? t1 is equal to 2n plus 1 അല്ലേ, 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay, that you will be getting an answer of 3. Next, what will happen is t2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 5. t3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Like that it keeps on going. So the arithmetic progression is 3, 5, 7, dot dot dot. So this is your answer. Okay. Now we are going on to the, I hope it is clear. I don't know what is happening with my phone. Okay, now we are going on to the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. That is the, so you have to find out the formula for that. Sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to n by 2, bracket you can open, 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so that is the formula. So n by 2, in bracket you can write 2a plus n minus 1d. So this is your answer. Now we'll directly go on to the problem. You can write, find the sum of 20 terms of the series 3, 5, 7, 9, dot dot dot. Okay, so ഇവിടെ നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത് sum of 20 terms are പറയുന്നത്, which means you have to use the formula of the sum. So you have to write down the formula first, and before that you have to identify what are the numbers. So a പറയുന്നത് is equal to how much? ഇവിടെ a നമുക്ക് പറയുന്നത് 3 ആണ്. d is equal to 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. n പറയുന്നത് 20 ആണ്. And then s20 is equal to നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so what you have to write is s20 is equal to 20 by 2, 2 into 3 plus n banal 20 minus 1, d banal is 2, right? So you'll be getting, so when you go on to the next page, you'll be going on to the into 2 vare kitti. So you'll be getting an answer of is equal to 10. Yeah, then you'll be getting 6 plus 19 into 2, right? So you'll be getting an answer of 10 into 6 plus 38. So that is equal to 10 into 44, which is equal to 440 is your answer. Quite simple, right? Next we'll go on to another question. Find the sum of first n natural numbers. So first n natural numbers പറഞ്ഞാൽ which are the natural numbers? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going till n are the natural numbers. So you are, this is your question, find the sum of the first n natural numbers. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് natural numbers പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 നെയാണ് എന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. So what you have to do is you have to find out, you can write first n natural numbers പറയുന്ന ഇതാണ് എഴുതുക. Then arithmetic progression a is equal to 1 വരും, d is equal to 2 minus 1, that will be is equal to 1. Then n is equal to n. So what you have to do is you have to write down the formula, which is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So that is equal to n നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ അല്ലേ, n by 2 2 into a പറഞ്ഞാൽ 1 plus n minus 1 d പറഞ്ഞാൽ again 1. So this is how it is coming. That is equal to n by 2 2 plus n minus 1 is equal to, right, ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല വരാ, 2 plus n minus 1 is equal to n by 2 n plus 1. ഇങ്ങനെയല്ല നമുക്കിത് റെഡിയാക്കുമ്പോൾ n by 2 n plus 1. So that is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. That is your answer. Okay. Now we will go on to another problem. Find the sum of the series 5, 3, 1, minus 1, dot 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 till minus 23 is your question. So ഇതിൻ്റെ അത് നമുക്കറിയാം a പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്ര, a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3 minus 5 which is equal to minus 2, tn പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് മൈനസ് 23, sn നമുക്ക് തന്നിട്ടില്ല, നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So when you write down the formula, it is, ഇവിടെ find the sum of the series ആണ് നമ്മളോട് പറയുന്നത്. So minus 23 is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so just a second, this formula has been applied. A plus n minus 1 d ആണ് നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് തന്നെ അർത്ഥമാറ്റിക് പ്രോഗ്രഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനുണ്ട് ഫോർമുല. സോ അതാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത്. സോ യു വിൽ ബി ഗെറ്റിംഗ് minus 23 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 d പറഞ്ഞാൽ എത്രയാണ്, minus 2, right? So that is equal to minus 23 minus 5, we are taking 5 to this side, minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 minus 2. So minus 28 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay, so n minus 1 is equal to, you're bringing this, n minus 1 is equal to minus 28 by minus 2, which you'll be getting as 14. So n is equal to 14 plus 1, that is equal to 50. So you have got the n. N kitti kazhinjal, we have used the first formula that we have studied. Now what you have to do is you have to use the new formula that you have studied. That is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So which is equal to n bana 15 by 2 into 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 banala, n is how much, 15 minus 1, d banala 3 minus 2. So that is equal to, you will be getting, when you simplify, 15 by 2 into 10 minus 28. To simplify, so that is equal to 15 by 2 into minus 18, which is equal to minus 135 is your answer. Okay, so we'll be stopping with that today. Thank you so much.